Hi, this is Tanveer from India. In this video, we will learn how you can create a tutorials using free tools. So we know that during COVID-19 lockdown, every educator is searching for such tools so that he or she can create a tutorials for their students sitting in their homes and they can watch the tutorials to continue their remote learning so that when they will return to their campuses, colleges, and universities, they will be prepared enough to get ready for the exams. So, in this video, we will learn how educators can create tutorials using free tools and the effective tools to make their course curriculum, syllabus, and video tutorials more effective to share with the students. So we will have a learning objectives in this video, free and creative presentation tools which includes LibreOffice Impress and Google Slides, and the free screen recording tools such as OBS and Format Factory. So let us first start with LibreOffice Impress. First thing, it's a free and open source tool. You don't have to pay any fee, any license. It's completely free of cost and it is available for Windows, Linux and Macintosh. It is available in more than 30 languages and we have already discussed that you don't have to purchase any license or there is no need to pay any annual fee. It is also compatible with .ppt and .pptx. You can incorporate special effects and animation. So this is the interface of LibreOffice Impress where you can create your effective slides using different special effects and animations. You can see on the right side there is an option to have a slide transition. So here you can have a multiple slides and you can have a various shapes and effects that you can add in your presentation. So in order to get it, so let us see how you can get the LibreOffice. So simply you have to write LibreOffice Impress on the Google. So this is the link, that is libreoffice.org. You can legally download LibreOffice package from libreoffice.org as it is a free. So you can click in download LibreOffice. So here are the different versions of LibreOffice available. So as per your requirement, like 64-bit or 32-bit Windows, you can download and click on the download button present on it. So your downloading will start automatically as it is showing it's a 303 MB. So here you can see your downloading will be starting very shortly. You will have a all full package of LibreOffice including Impress, Writer and Calc for various applications. So here you can see your downloading is starting. So for now we can cancel it and we will again go to our presentation. The next tool we will discuss is Google Slides. It's having a bunch of presentation themes with the stylish fonts and there is an option to embed video and animate your slides. You can have access to pre-made presentation to edit and use. So this is a wonderful feature given by Google Slides that if you want to see the presentations made by educators for their students, like a lesson plan, like a portfolio or any other presentation style, you can have access to that and you can edit and use it. Most important, you can access it anywhere, anytime because it is available on cloud. So if you have a Gmail ID, you can log in with your email ID and you can access your Google Slides anywhere, anytime. Next thing is, if you have a colleague or educator working on the same presentation, you can invite him or her so that you can work together on common slides and then you can share it with your students. And the next important thing is it will save automatically, so you don't have to worry to make it save by pressing Ctrl plus S many times during making your presentation. So it is saved automatically. And this is the interface. On the right side you can see the themes are available with different colors. You can also import the theme. So there are number of options available to make your presentation very effective. So let us see how you can explore Google Slides. Simply write Google Slides in Google and then we will click on the google.com slides option. So here you will get the interface. Go to Google Slides and we can see a blank presentation so that you can start a new presentation from scratch, or you can have these pre-made presentations given by Google. So let us click on a lesson plan, which is a pre-made presentation given by Google Slides, so that we can see how the things goes. And so this is a lesson plan pre-made presentation. You can mention your audience, that it's a 4th grade advanced curriculum, 18 students. You can write your objectives, the materials which you are going to provide, and the procedure and timeline. You can share that 10 minutes is for practice, 10 minutes is for exam, 30 minutes can be for the revision. So these things you can manage using a pre-made presentations in Google Slides. So from the present button you can start your slideshow. So this is how it goes. And now let us move to a screen recording tool. So once you have prepared your tutorials using LibreOffice Impress or Google Slides, whichever will be suitable to you, then we will move to screen recording tools, that is Open Broadcaster software, that is OBS. So it is available on Windows, Mac OS and Linux. It's a free and open source software. It is having a features of audio video capturing and mixing. You can also use noise suppression and gain if you need it. And then you can have a multi-view screen available, and this means that you can monitor 8 different scenes simultaneously. So, and another thing is it's having a studio mode. You can preview your video before going into live, and this means it's having a live streaming available as well. And this is the interface provided by OBS, so you can have a multiple scenes. So here you can see that there is option of scene 1, scene 2, and you can have a different sources to record your audio and to record your display. So let us see on Google how you can get it. So simply you write OBS in Google and it will showcase you obsproject.com. So there is an option you can download for Windows, Mac OS and Linux, or simply you can go to the download tab. Here you can download as per your need. So this is how you can have a obsproject.com website and you can download it. And the next tool is Format Factory, which I have used in this video which I have made to showcase how you can create a tutorials using free tools. So I have used Google Slides and Format Factory combination. So users can change format or file extensions of video audio. You can also reduce size of heavy files. I think few educators feel difficulty in transferring the data because of heavy files. So in Format Factory you can convert the size of heavy files, and you will have an option of audio converter, clipper, joiner, splitter and mixer. Even you have an option of picture file conversions, including PDF joiners, PDF to text you can convert to doc and Excel. You will have an option of video joiner, splitter and crop. So you can see that there is a multiple, or you can say the thousands of options in the Format Factory available, and it's a free of cost available to all the educators, and this is the easiest way of screen recording. So this is the interface. You can see here you can have all the conversions related to videos, audio, picture, document, ROM devices and other utilities are there. So let us see how you can get it on Google. So simply you have to write Format Factory in Google, and there is a website pcfreetime.com. You can open it, and with the very first link you can click on the view details to have all the details related to Format Factory, and you will also get the option to download. So here is the details and the features of Format Factory, and there is an option to download how you can download the Format Factory. So let us again come to a presentation. So apart from these 4 tools which we have discussed, that is LibreOffice Impress, Google Slides, OBS and Format Factory, there are other screen recording tools offering free services for some time as a trial version, or few services that they are offering free of cost, and it includes Screencastify, Loom and Screencast-o-matic. So you can also explore these types of tools, and this is all about this video on how to create tutorials so that you can share with your students during the lockdown period, so that they can continue their remote learning and can stay home and can stay safe. So thank you so much.